ദേവിയുണ്ട്, ഭദ്രയുണ്ട്, എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്, ധ്യാനമുണ്ട്. ആലിംഗനം മാത്രം. ആലിംഗനം അവിടെ ദർശനം കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പ്രസാദം കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അവരെല്ലാം വലതുകൈക്ക് വേദനിച്ച് ഇടതൈ തലോടുന്ന പോലെയുള്ളൂ. ഇതിന് ഭിന്നമല്ല. നൂറുകുടത്തിൽ സൂര്യൻ ഒന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇതിന് ഭിന്നമായിട്ട് കാണുന്നില്ല അവർ. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവരുടെ സന്തോഷം എന്നാ സന്തോഷത്തിൽ.
The children are provided free, nutritious food, accommodation.
Amma's a profoundly rare humanitarian. People come from all over the world to see her. They come to get her blessing. It's a hug. It's something she's been doing as an expression of compassion for years since she was a teen.
The hug is physical, but it's also mental. It's simple, but we forget that in our world, people, they're not touching and they're not letting their emotions out.
She's embracing people and then, wiping their tears, listening to their problems. In India, she'd always been used to receiving like tens of thousands of people, which is quite extraordinary. Tens of thousands suddenly became hundreds of thousands, and the poor woman would sit for 24 hours straight, just trying to receive as many people as she physically could. Opening of the heart is what she's doing. She's working at the heart level with people, and I think it's a kind of melting away of people's egos, and an opening to one's higher self is the way I kind of see what Amma's doing with people, and that's what the hug represents. She's imparting some of her own spiritual energy onto people.
ഭഗവാൻ ആനന്ദം കൊടുത്ത് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണ്ടല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിനെ കൂടെ ആശ്രയിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നില്ല ഇപ്പൊ.